best snickerdoodle I've ever tasted.
Well, boom, there you have it.
Oh, my word. And Tara Tesher's back with us. Hi, friend.
Mwah.
Always a pleasure.
Great to be here.
This is your meal mugs. You call it Seal the Meal.
Seal the Meal.
And we were just talking about microwave cooking. This is something you can use in the microwave because of the way this is designed.
Absolutely. There are soup mugs, which we love. 22-ounce total capacity. Little a handle over here, which makes it super easy to take it in and out and to take it on the go. Here's the beauty behind not only the patterns, but the technology that's involved. This lid is airtight and watertight. The reason it is because of this knob that you see right here. When you pop that open, that actually allows you to take that silicone seal lid off. When you put it on, you're going to want to push that tab back down. That's what makes it airtight and watertight. You cannot get this lid off unless you pop the top. So pop the top whether you're cooking, pop the top whether you're storing, pop the top whenever you want to take that lid on and off.
Now, to be clear, I want to make sure I didn't misspeak.
Yeah.
Can I put that lid on here, pop the top, and put it in the microwave?
Yes, you absolutely can.
So then I don't have any splatter.
You never have any splatter. You just got to pop that top. So we did it in, of course, our holiday collection, David, which I love. Look how fun this is. Little festive fetty on the outside. And then, of course, we have the scenes. There's your Santa by the stove. He's cooking chocolate chip cookies. Here's Santa by the fireplace. Notice that I'm popping the top in order to get that lid off. And then look at this. We even did our tree. That dial that David was talking about, that lid, also has numbers on it, 31. So if you have storing leftovers, you can put that on there before. It is almost impossible for our stoneware to have an airtight, watertight lid. So we love that we can do it on our soup crops.
And you're getting 3 plus their matching gift boxes. Now, this first collection is called Holiday. And then this next one is called Whimsy.
Oh, can we just brag on that? Look
Let's
how
just brag on Whimsy.
Cute.
And this one does not have a pattern on the inside. It just has
the solid color.
The solid color.
There's your, isn't that adorable? Your little candy canes.
canes.
And then look at how fun, the little reindeer games. So you have your reindeer with the gift packaging. And then do you notice who's on the bottom? All of your Whimsy characters, your gingerbread, your snowman.
Where is he?
You ready for Wembley?
I want Wembley.
Here he comes.
There's Wembley.
Wembley. And then let's not forget about Penguin, too. So stinking cute.
Penguin doesn't have a nickname?
Not yet. It's leaning towards Penny.
Penny the Penguin. I like it. It's cute.
And then you're seeing dots.
Okay, if you're seeing spots, you should be. All right, this is one we're calling Polka Dot. I have 3,200 in the Polka Dot set. And then finally, I have it for you in Classic. Now, we call this Classic because it's got both Old World and Floral Lace in the design.
Yes.
How many of these left? 2,300.
Wow, okay.
Now, this free shipping and handling and easy pay will both go away at the end of the day.
Okay.
And so these are our final quantities of the year. You will not see these back this year if we sell out of any one of these choices. 8,700 ordered for the month. That means almost 400 in this show. You need to know also, right now, and I'm just going to spell it out for you, there's a great big blowout sale event happening on QVC2. So between that and these great items, our phone lines are slammed. We need you to use automated ordering, use your QVC mobile apps, any way you can get in to place your order, because between all the sale events and the Flash Easy Pay, we're very, very busy, and you're loving this Temptations item. Get yours now while the getting is good. Just use QVC.com and mobile apps. Best ordering experience.
So I want to show you a couple of things that we did, David. So first of all, we were just talking about no splatter in your microwave, right? Because you have that vented lid, you're actually able to steam things like your broccoli. Look how great that is. You never have to worry about it. You pop the lid, you take it off. I'm now able to steam in there just by adding a little water.
And you can eat out of the same container.
Exactly, and that's what I love. And then the best part, put that tight seal, lock it, and now you can take it on the go.
Or store it in the fridge.
Or store it in the fridge, store it in the freezers. It's everything you love from Temptations, but it now has the brilliant technology and the fact that these are our mug meals, and you can take everything on the go. We baked, of course, if you're thinking about $10 for a gift, love this idea. Maybe you're making one of your great cakes, one of your great recipes. Look at how sweet that is in our holiday collection.
We also made my pumpkin chili.
Yeah, we did.
This is my pumpkin chili. This is my recipe today.
Yum.
And I'm telling you what, I don't know if you guys have ever had pumpkin and chili, pureed pumpkin. It's so wonderful. It hearties it up. It also makes it thicker, and it's fantastic. So we're going to tell you all about that.
Oh,
if you want to bake in this, remember, this is stoneware. Now, you cannot put these lids in the oven.
Correct.
But the stoneware can go in up to 500 degrees.
Absolutely. So we did a beautiful mac and cheese here. Personal size. David, you can put that lid right on it. Let's say maybe you didn't finish it. Pop that top. put the lid right on, pop it down, and you are good to go. And that's what we love about it.
How many ounces is each cup?
22 ounces in each.
22 ounces.
Look what we did here. We baked a cornbread, we hollowed it out, and we put chili on top of it. This is when we're thinking about comfort food, this is like that piece that does just that.
Wouldn't today be a perfect day to have these at home?
Yes, rainy. What were we saying? Rainy all day on the couch.
Oh,
that
my
would
God.
be nice.
Binge watching
something.
your favorite shows.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. And then just with chili or something simmering on the stove. For me, it would be chicken and dumplings. All right. So this is holiday.
They have the little characters on the inside.
And these are the ones that have the characters on the inside. So we have Santa, the Christmas tree, and I think the stove.
Yes, we do.
Or the fireplace.
Fireplace, the stove, him baking,
and then the
tree.
Christmas tree. And I'm taking time to open these only because they're the only ones that have images on the inside. The others are solid on the inside.
Yes, correct.
Remember, you must pop this little lid in order to take off the lid. This will
pop the top.
Pop the top, that's what I'm trying to say. And then we've got it for you in Whimsy.
Oh, love these.
So candy canes, reindeer games, and then all your favorite characters, including
Dun, da, da.
Wembley.
Hello.
All right.
He's cute.
And then we've got Polka Dot.
I love this for gift
If
giving.
you want Polka Dot, 2,600, all I have left.
Okay.
These are final quantities of the year.
That is correct.
And then finally we have the classic. Why do we call this classic?
This is a mix of your old world and your floral lace, and we did it in your holiday colors, from your red, your green, and of course your black. Keep one for yourself, gift the other two, or gift all three if you're picking up multiple sets, because what I love about it is everything David said. Look what we did here. If you go to temp-tations.com, we actually put this recipe up. It's a pumpkin bread. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I was just going to tell you real quickly because I just had an update.
I'm so excited.
No, I know you are. It's fine. 11,000 ordered for the month.
Thank you, everybody.
In this show alone, 2,600 are gone, and we are final quantities. Only 1,700 left in that classic. We're now half gone.
And it is not coming back this year.
Half gone for what we brought in for the month.
So in keeping with your theme of pumpkin, we did a little pumpkin bread, which you can find that recipe on temp-tations.com. We did an individual pumpkin pie.
Yum.
Look at how beautiful the crust. This is what I love about cooking with stoneware. All of your crusts still have that beautiful look to it and taste and feel. And then we did a pumpkin mousse. How about some of your dips, an artichoke dip, your onion dip, the things you're going to want to be serving. 22 ounces is such a great size. This becomes your personal baker, your personal maker, your personal taker, and it's your companion to and from the office because it has that airtight, watertight seal where we're able to steam vegetables in it, where we're able to bake lava cakes in it. And then think about them gifting, David, even if you wanted to just tuck something simple inside there. They're
perfect.
Fantastic.
And they all come with the gift boxes.
Yes,
and you don't even have to bow them because they're already a bow on them. Printed on the box.
Yeah.
So you're ready to roll. I believe that's true of all of them, yes. So you've got, I was just making sure we put each of them up.
Carry the one.
So, this is K49350. Wow, are we busy?
Aren't these are adorable. We only launched these on our big hour show on the Cook event. You've only seen it one other time. So excited.
Everything on air online, almost everything, is 6pay until 3:59 p.m. Eastern Time.
And we have free shipping, which we never have.
This is free shipping. So absolutely get yours in 12,000 now for the month.
Thank you,
We're well
everybody.
over half gone in what you brought in.
Yes, we are.
You're coming back.
With our break apart mitt set.
And I know how many of you love these mitts, so stick around for that.
Super sized.
Stacy is going to update you on our today's special value. And am I getting ready for